Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, May 27th, 2015, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, we had a pretty decent day today, but yesterday I called the Dow. I said it was going to probably have an up open, but then it could sell off. Well, it did definitely have the up open, but it didn't sell off. It just kept inching up here for the rest of the day, but that inching up wasn't very convincing. Nevertheless, the Dow did gain 121 points today. I honestly see this as a sucker rally. It is not at all convincing, and I would be willing to lay about 5-to-1 odds that tomorrow the Dow is going down. I'm calling the Dow down hard tomorrow, and possibly even going down, taking out this low down here. We'll see, but I wasn't impressed with this rally at all. We got into about 8 positions, and we're holding positive $368. We see this. You look, say, 121 points in the Dow, pretty decent rally, but we're not getting much in the way of ongoing profits in our stocks. And to me, the sellers and profit takers are coming in here, taking advantage of this phony rally, and they're setting up for the next big trip down, and I'm expecting that's going to come tomorrow. That is my analysis of the Dow. Because it did have this rally, we did fairly well on our exits. We closed out $3,300 in our closed out trades from yesterday, which was pretty decent. But as I say, this thing managed to get us into 8 positions, and there really isn't anything that looks very promising to me, although it isn't like they're all negative, but we don't have anything positive over $1,000. I think the best thing we have is in Rambus, and it's up about $600. That's it. So I'm not too terribly pleased about this, but nevertheless, so far at least, we haven't been hurt by it. I will show you a couple of trades that are kind of interesting today. This is Mankind Corporation, and we had bought this yesterday, and it had settled slightly profitable. It did pop up this morning, and we got out here with about $2,500 in profit, so that was real good. But then I kept going. It moved up somewhere. We ended up getting into Mankind a second time, and that always makes me a little bit nervous, but we are showing a slight profit with this. But of course, this is going to be very vulnerable to any significant sell-off tomorrow, so a little bit sorry we had to get back into this. Let's see here. We want to go. Okay, this was a good trade. We had got into this on last Thursday, and it had closed against us last Thursday. But then on Friday we had this monstrous pop-up that kept us in the trade over the weekend, and then this morning it did pull back a little on the open, but we still got out, and we took over $2,000 in ZNH, that's China Southern Airlines. So that was a pretty decent trade, although it did close higher than where we got out. So I don't have any complaints about today, but I don't think the rally in the Dow means too much. I think we're going to see a continuing sell-off there, and of course I consider that pretty healthy. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you all tomorrow on Thursday.